Good morning, all of you. Today for class 12, ISC, CBSE, and West Bengal Board also. Derivatives of inverse trigonometric function, part 5. That means you have already got 4 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now, please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from ML Agarwal's book, exercise 5.6 new book and 5.7 that is old book. And some you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. We have to differentiate tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus x. Solution. Now pay your attention on the solution. Here given that is tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus x. Now this is the vital part. What we have to consider, what we have to substitute for x. There is no hard and fast rule. By looking the expression, anyway we have to eliminate tan inverse. In that way we have to consider. Now we are taking, let x equal to cot t. Therefore t equal to cot inverse x. Then y equal to this. And tan inverse, in place of x we have to put cot t. So here is x square, so cot square t, and here is x, so cot t. Now 1 plus cot square t. 1 plus cot square t, that is in the frame of formula you have learned at class 9. 1 plus cos square theta equal to cosec square theta. From that formula we are writing here, that is root over is given, it will remain as it is. In place of 1 plus cot square t we are writing cosec square t, and it will remain cot t. Since 1 plus cot square x equal to cosec square x. That you may write or may not. If you write, that will be easier for understanding. Now square and root will be eliminated, so it will be cosec t and cot t. Now we have to simplify. In place of cosec t we may write 1 by sin t, and cot t, that is cos t by sin t. That also you have learned at class 9. Now LCM, that is sin t and 1 minus cos t. This expression also in the frame of formula. 1 minus cos t. 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. So in place of 1 minus cos t we may write 2 sin square t by 2. In place of x, here is t, so it will be t by 2. And sin t, that is sin 2a, that is multiple angle 2 sin a plus cos a. Here sin t, that is 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2, that is this. Sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. By applying formula we are getting this. Now if you notice, then easily you will understand, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Square and sin t by 2 will be cancelled. Then what will remain? Here sin t by 2 divided by cos t by 2. Sin theta by cos theta, that is known to you very well. Tan theta, in place of theta here is t by 2, so t by 2. Tan t by 2. Tan and tan inverse will be eliminated, so it will be t by 2. Now we have to put the value of t. Value of t, that is cot inverse x. So after taking half, then in place of t we are writing cot inverse x. Cot inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy dx, that is we are taking y. Dy dx equal to half will come outside, and differentiation of cot inverse x. Cot inverse x, that is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. That is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. By simplifying we are getting minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. This is the answer. Very simple. If you can remember the formula, and if you successfully apply the formula in the problem, then easily you will understand. And steps are given clearly. By looking, easily you will understand. Now sum number 16, part 3. Differentiate the following function with respect to this. This we have to differentiate. Here also, here given sin square cot inverse root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Here also same thing, we have to substitute x. Let x equal to cos t. In such way we have to substitute. By simplifying, cot will be eliminated. By practice you will gain this concept. So t equal to cos inverse x, then y equal to this sin square cot inverse root over 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then in place of x we are putting cos t in place of x, that is cos t and cos t minus cos t. And this is, that is 1 by cos t, this is in the frame of formula, that is 2 sin square t by 2, and this is also in the frame of formula, that is 2 sin square t by 2. That you have learned at class 11. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, then it will remain cos square t by 2 by sin square t by 2, cos theta by sin theta, that is square is given here. So after cos t by 2 by sin t by 2 whole square within root over. Then root and square will be eliminated. Then cos theta by sin theta, that is cot theta. In place of theta, t by 2, so cot t, t by 2. Cot and cot will be cancelled. Then it will be sin square t by 2. This is also in the frame of formula. That is sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. Ishan, see in how many ways we are applying the formula of submultiple angle. That you have to learn and you have to remember. Here sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. Here 1 minus cos t. In place of cos t, we are writing x, that is half into 1 plus x, since x equal to cos t. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx. Differentiation of 1, that is 0. Differentiation of x, that is minus 1. So by simplifying, it is coming minus half. This is the answer. If you follow the step attentively, then easily you will understand. Very simple, but you have to follow attentively only. Okay, thank you everybody.